What if I told you that you could fall asleep faster, without taking a single pill, drinking any tea, or even counting sheep? Sounds too good to be true, right? But in the ancient Buddhist world, peaceful sleep isn't something you chase. It's something you invite. And all it takes is a simple touch. For centuries, Buddhist monks have tapped into a natural, powerful way to relax the body and quiet the mind using specific energy points on the body. These points are like hidden sleep switches, and when tapped in a certain way, they trigger deep calm, balance your inner system, and help you drift off naturally and quickly. Seniors especially love this method because it's gentle, easy to do in bed, and doesn't involve any medications. And even better, it's completely free. This technique, rooted in both acupressure and Buddhist healing practices, has been passed down through generations. It was once only shared within temples and monasteries. But today, it's being rediscovered and changing lives. People who've struggled with insomnia for years are reporting the best sleep of their lives with just 5 simple taps. In this video, you'll learn 5 powerful sleep points that you can tap before bed to instantly relax your body and mind. Each point connects to a deep spiritual and physical benefit: calming anxiety, grounding energy, healing emotional tension, and silencing racing thoughts. If you've been craving true rest, the kind that leaves you feeling refreshed, peaceful, and alive, stay tuned. What you're about to learn may become the best part of your nightly routine. And don't forget, at the end, I'll share a powerful Buddhist mantra to seal your sleep with spiritual protection. Let's begin. 1. The third eye point. Tap to calm the monkey mind. The first point to tap is the third eye point, located right between your eyebrows. In Buddhist teachings, this area is known as the Ajna chakra, often referred to as the eye of wisdom. It is believed to be the center of clarity, intuition, and inner vision. Spiritually, it is said to connect us to deeper awareness and helps us access peace beyond the chaos of daily life. But practically, it offers something every person longs for at bedtime: a way to calm the mind instantly. In Buddhism, the restless thoughts we experience are known as the monkey mind. It's that constant chatter in your head that won't let you rest. You lie down, close your eyes, and suddenly every worry, memory, or random idea decides to visit you at once. This is where the third eye point becomes so valuable. When you gently tap on this point before bed, you're doing more than a physical action. You're giving your brain a direct message to slow down. To activate this point, simply sit or lie comfortably in bed and use your index and middle fingers to gently tap the center of your forehead. Tap slowly and rhythmically, breathing deeply in through your nose and out through your mouth. As you tap, you can mentally repeat a calming phrase like "I am calm," or use a traditional Buddhist mantra such as Om Shanti. Within minutes, you'll feel the shift, your breath deepens, your thoughts begin to soften, and your body responds with a sense of calm. Science now supports what monks have known for centuries. Tapping the third eye area activates the pineal gland, which is responsible for producing melatonin, the sleep hormone. It also stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is your body's natural relaxation mode. Seniors who use this method consistently say it works like a sleep switch, helping them quiet their mind without the use of medications or supplements. This point is especially powerful for people who suffer from insomnia, overthinking, or anxiety. It's a technique that requires no tools, just trust and gentle awareness. With just a few mindful taps, you can invite your mind into a sacred space of peace. Try this tonight and let the wisdom of ancient Buddhist healing help you sleep better than you have in years. It's simple, safe, and incredibly effective. The path to peaceful sleep might just begin with a gentle tap between your eyes. 2. The heart center. Tap to release emotional weight. The second point to tap before bed is one that holds powerful emotional energy: the heart center. Located right in the middle of your chest, this spot is more than just the physical location of your heart. In Buddhist and ancient healing traditions, this is the seat of the emotional body, where joy, sorrow, grief, and love all gather. And at night, when the world gets quiet, all those hidden feelings can come rushing to the surface, making it nearly impossible to fall asleep. Many people don't realize that emotional tension is one of the biggest causes of insomnia. You may not consciously feel sad or anxious, but your body remembers. The mind might say, "I'm fine," but the heart still holds on. That's why tapping the heart center is so deeply healing. It allows you to release emotional weight gently, without even needing to talk about it. To do this, sit or lie in bed comfortably. Use your fingers to gently tap the center of your chest, just above the sternum. You can tap with all 5 fingers, or just use 2, whatever feels most natural to you. As you tap, breathe in slowly and deeply. On each exhale, imagine yourself letting go of a little bit of emotional heaviness, sadness, fear, guilt, or even excitement that's keeping you wired. In Buddhist practice, this kind of gentle tapping is like offering compassion to yourself. It's saying, "I see you, I know you're holding a lot. It's okay to rest now." Some monks chant soft mantras as they tap the chest, such as metta, the Pali word for loving kindness. You can also say to yourself, "I let go," or "My heart is at peace." What makes this technique especially popular with seniors is that it provides real, tangible emotional relief. Many people report yawning, tearing up, or even laughing during the process. That's the body finally letting go of what it's been holding in all day, or even for years. It's a cleansing, not just of the mind, but of the soul. Scientific studies support this too. Emotional tapping in the chest area has been shown to reduce cortisol, the stress hormone, within minutes. It sends a calming message to the brain and nervous system, telling the entire body that it is safe to rest. After just a minute or 2 of tapping the heart center, your breath deepens, your body softens, and sleep becomes much easier to enter. Try it tonight. You might discover that the key to peaceful sleep isn't in your head, it's in your heart. 3. The wrist point. Tap to switch off the anxiety switch. The third point to tap before bed is found right on the inside of your wrist. It's called pericardium 6 or P6, but in Buddhist and traditional Chinese medicine, it's often known as the inner gate. And that name is important because this point is believed to be the gateway to your emotional balance, nervous system, and inner peace. If you're someone who lies in bed with a racing heart or an anxious mind, this point is for you. Seniors, in particular, often carry hidden stress, financial concerns, health fears, or worries about loved ones. Even when you try to relax, the body can remain stuck in alert mode. Tapping the wrist point is like flipping a switch that tells your body, it's time to let go, you're safe now. To find this point, turn your palm upward. Start at the wrist crease and measure about 2 finger widths down from the base of your hand. The spot lies between 2 tendons. Once you locate it, use your index and middle fingers to gently tap or press the area. You can hold one wrist with your other hand and tap for about 60 to 90 seconds on each side. As you tap, breathe slowly and steadily. Inhale peace. Exhale stress. You can also repeat a simple affirmation, such as, "I release my worries," or "I am calm." Some Buddhist practitioners like to softly whisper the mantra, Nam Myoho Renge Kyo, or simply hum, allowing the vibration to deepen the calming effect. The pericardium 6 point is known for its role in calming the heart-mind connection, which is often overstimulated by anxiety, overthinking, or even excitement. Tapping this point helps shift your nervous system out of the sympathetic mode, where adrenaline and cortisol dominate, and into the parasympathetic state, where healing, digestion, and deep sleep can begin. This technique is particularly effective for people who struggle with physical symptoms of anxiety, tight chest, shallow breathing, restlessness, or even nausea. Many seniors also use this point to relieve dizziness or racing thoughts. It's subtle, but deeply powerful. Over time, if you tap this point nightly, your body starts to associate it with sleep. It becomes part of your routine, just like brushing your teeth. But instead of cleaning your mouth, you're cleaning your energy, your emotions, and your inner world. Try it tonight. Tap your wrist gently, breathe like you're safe, and feel the stress begin to dissolve as your body remembers how to rest again. 4. The sole of the foot. Tap to ground excess energy. The fourth tapping point is one that most people overlook, but it may be the most powerful of all. It's located on the sole of your foot, in a spot known in Buddhist and traditional Chinese medicine as kidney 1 or Yongquan, which translates to bubbling spring. Just the name alone gives you a hint of what this point can do. It brings energy down, cools the body, and creates calm from the ground up. During the day, our energy tends to rise. Stress, tension, overthinking, phone screens, caffeine, it all builds up in the upper body. By the time night falls, many people find themselves feeling tired but wired. You've probably experienced it. Your body feels exhausted, but your mind just won't stop. That's a sign that your energy isn't grounded. It's stuck in your head, refusing to settle. But the bubbling spring point was made to fix this. Located just below the ball of the foot, near the center, this point is your body's natural grounding wire. To activate it, sit comfortably and lift one foot into your lap. Using your knuckles or fingers, gently tap or massage the spot in small circles. Tap for about 1 to 2 minutes on each foot, breathing slowly as you do. In Buddhist monasteries, monks perform foot cleansing rituals and walking meditations to stay connected to the earth. They know that peace doesn't always begin in the mind, it begins in the body, in the feet, where we meet the world. Tapping the soles before bed mimics this practice. It pulls excessive energy down from the head, the chest, and the heart, and anchors it. Seniors love this technique because it not only improves sleep, but also helps with swollen feet, poor circulation, and restless leg syndrome. Many even report fewer nighttime trips to the bathroom because their body becomes more relaxed overall. While tapping, visualize your thoughts melting down your body and out through your feet, into the earth below. Say softly in your mind, "I am grounded," or "I am home." This ritual connects you to stillness and reminds your spirit that it's safe to rest. Try it just once and you'll notice how heavy your body becomes in the best possible way. Rooted, calm, and ready to sleep like you're being cradled by the earth itself. 5. The ear point. Tap to balance your inner system. The fifth and final point to tap before sleep is one that surprises most people, and yet it holds incredible power over your entire body. It's found not on your back, your chest, or your feet, but on your ear. Yes, your ear is home to one of the most important sleep-activating pressure points in Buddhist energy healing. The Shenmen point, often referred to as the spirit gate, located in the upper middle part of the ear, just inside the curve of the cartilage. This small area has a massive impact on the body's nervous system. In Buddhist teachings, it's said that when the spirit is disturbed by stress, fear, pain, or grief, sleep will not come easily. The Shenmen point works by calming the spirit and returning your body to balance. Tapping or massaging this point stimulates the vagus nerve, the long nerve that runs from your brain to your stomach, regulating almost everything inside you: your heart rate, breathing, digestion, and emotional state. When this nerve is calm, the body enters its healing mode. That's when sleep becomes not just possible, but deep, restorative, and peaceful. To use this technique, sit or lie comfortably in bed. Reach up to your ear with your index and middle finger and gently tap or rub the Shenmen point using small circular motions. Do this slowly for about 60 to 90 seconds on each ear. Breathe deeply and steadily, allowing the motion to guide your body into stillness. Some Buddhist monks pair this tapping with humming, a soft vibration that deepens the nervous system's response. You can try this too. As you rub or tap the ears, gently hum or whisper a calming word, like peace, still, or the mantra Om. The sound doesn't need to be loud. It's the vibration that matters. It activates the healing rhythm in your body, like a lullaby from within. Seniors especially benefit from this point because it's so gentle and accessible. Whether you suffer from insomnia, nervousness, digestion problems, or even chronic pain, this single point offers wide-reaching relief. It brings your whole internal system into balance. And the best part? You can do it in bed in just a few minutes with no side effects and no equipment. The ear is actually a mini-map of the entire body. In many Eastern traditions, it's believed that the entire body can be treated through points on the ear, just like acupuncture. By tapping the Shenmen point, you're not just helping your brain relax, you're inviting harmony into every organ and every emotion. Try this tonight. Close your eyes, tap your ears, and hum softly. As the spirit gate opens, You'll feel the stress of the day quietly close behind you. You won't just fall asleep, you'll drift into a state of sacred rest, like a monk in meditation, wrapped in peace. Now you know the 5 sacred points. 5 taps that could change your nights forever. These aren't just techniques, they're ancient rituals. They're simple acts of self-love passed down through Buddhist wisdom, designed to help real people, like you, find real peace. And the best part? You don't need medicine. You don't need a guru. You don't need perfect silence. You just need your own 2 hands and the willingness to let go. Every tap you make is a message to your body. You are safe. You are allowed to rest. Every breath you take during the practice is a message to your mind. You don't need to fix everything right now. And every moment you spend connecting with yourself, gently and intentionally, is a message to your soul. You are home. So whether you're a senior looking for deeper rest, a busy parent, a night thinker, or someone carrying silent burdens, these 5 points can be your turning point. From your third eye to your chest, your wrists to your feet, and finally your ears, each tap clears the way for healing, for calm, for sleep that touches the spirit. Try them tonight. Don't wait. Experience it yourself. And if you do feel a difference, even just a little, come back and tell us. Share this with a friend or loved one who's been struggling. You never know who might need this more than you realize. If this helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. We're building a peaceful community here. One breath, one tap, one peaceful night at a time. May your dreams be soft, may your heart be light, and may sleep come like a blessing. You deserve it.